Why do thousands of aviation enthusiasts crave these epic moments? Let's find out. From heart-stopping takeoffs to jaw-dropping aerobatics, airplanes are the ultimate thrill machines. Ever seen a Boeing 747 defy gravity? Or a fighter jet break the sound barrier? It's pure adrenaline. Imagine a commercial jet landing on the shortest runway in the world. Precision, skill, and nerves of steel. How about those breathtaking air shows? Pilots twisting and turning in perfect harmony? Let's not forget emergency landings that redefine the meaning of cool under pressure. These pilots are heroes in disguise, and those stunning cockpit views, pure magic. So next time you hear the roar of an engine overhead, remember, you're witnessing one of the most epic feats of engineering and human skill. Stay tuned, hit that like button, and keep your eyes on the skies. This is aviation at its finest.